Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up iMessage. First time iPhone guide step by step clearly. Unlock your iPhone and make sure you are on the home screen. Connect to Wi-Fi or enable cellular data so iMessage can activate. Open the Settings app from your home screen. Scroll down and tap Apps if your iPhone shows this menu. Find and tap Messages in the list. Turn on the iMessage switch if it is off. Wait a moment while your iPhone activates iMessage in the background. If a pop-up says activation may take time, tap OK and keep your phone connected to the internet. Go back one screen and tap Send and Receive. Sign in with your Apple account if you are asked to log in. Choose the phone number and email addresses you want to receive iMessages at. Select the address you want to start new conversations from. Return to the Messages settings screen. Turn on Send as SMS if you want text to send as normal SMS when iMessage is unavailable. Tap Text Message Forwarding if you want messages to appear on other Apple devices. Enable forwarding for your iPad or Mac if they are listed and you want to use them. If you see a verification code on another device, enter it on your iPhone. Go back and tap Notifications in the Messages settings if you want to adjust alerts. Set your preferred alert style, sounds, and badge options for messages. Now open the Messages app from your home screen. Tap the Compose button to start a new message. Type a contact name, phone number, or email address in the field. Type a short message in the text box. Tap the send arrow and watch the message bubble color. Confirm iMessage is working when the bubble is blue and the status says iMessage. If the bubble is green, check your internet connection and confirm iMessage is enabled in settings. If activation fails, restart your iPhone and try turning iMessage off and on again. Make sure date and time is set to set automatically in settings to avoid activation issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.